I didn't shower for 3 days. Perfect. Yan, ang lola nyo. Yan, rumarangkada uli. And it's different now. It says it's 125. So, minus 125 below sea level. Can't you believe that? I can't believe it.
Why is the Danakil Depression famous? Because the Danakil Depression is one of the Earth's most unusual environments. It's renowned as the hottest place on the planet and home to salt lakes, lava lakes, volcanoes, and colorful acidic springs. So, please watch this video until at the end because you will see the very impressive Mount Etla volcano erupting. Here we go. This is the most impressive, colorful landscape in the whole planet. Why the Danakil Depression is so colorful? Because there are lots of acidic pans and geysers and features a deep crater called the Lul. The vibrant colors are a result of rain and then being heated by magma and rising up. The salt from the seawater reacts with the volcanic minerals in the magma, creating a dazzling colors. The yellow deposits are a variety of sulfates. The red areas are deposits of iron oxides, and the copper salts color the water green. It's nice to look at, but they are toxic. This place is the hottest place on Earth, and during summer months, the temperature could get up to as high as 55 degrees Celsius. Now we're on the way to the salt flats to swim in the mini pool that could accommodate 4 people. This place was once part of the Red Sea. The salt deposits were created when water from the Red Sea flooded the area and then evaporated. The most recent flood was roughly 30 years ago. The only downside of swimming here is that there is nowhere to rinse ourselves other than the springs near the lake, or you can bring your own bucket of water. The next stop is to Mount Etla Ale Volcano, and we will sleep on the ground under the stars. How exciting is that?
On the way to Etla Volcano again. I hope I won't struggle.
My legs are short, that's why I cannot keep up with them. So it's not advisable if you have a mobility problem because the path is very rocky. Plan was to sleep at the edge of the crater, but because the volcano was very active 2 weeks before we arrived, so it's not safe to do so.
go. I'm struggling, but I'm already here, so I have to make the most of it. There you go. That's the edge. There. You see, that's the volcano. Well. This is the Etla volcano. This is my bucket list tick. What an awesome experience. This volcano is 24 hours burning, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. What a fabulous nature. Well, I'm waiting to erupt, then it would be perfect. Wow.
Erta Ale Volcano is so special because it is one of only a handful of continuously active volcanoes in the world. And also, Erta Ale often has 2 active lava lakes, and this makes it a unique site. By the way, Erta Ale in Ethiopian language is a smoking mountain, and locally known as the gateway to hell. The searing heat of the Danakil means the volcano can only be climbed in the evening as the sun sets.
There we go. It is our camping. It's nice. Hello, morning. It's under the stuff. This is the public toilet, so feel free to find your own post. It's a big place. Behind me is our public toilet, and you can do anywhere. And we're discussing with my group why they cannot make a hole to build a toilet. First and foremost, it is a lava. It is very hard, and it's difficult to dig, and it costs lots of money. And a second one is in terms of water, no water, and if it's only a pit, then it would be, or it will be, very smelly. And on reflection, I think it is much better if it is just open, because if you will see behind me, there are rocks. You can to remove the rocks, and then after you to cover it with rocks, and then because it's hot, it will get dry. So anyway, I made it. I made it. Yes, they're the staff. Very good. They work hard a lot. Yeah. Thank you very much.
We stop a bit to stretch our legs here on the way back to Simira, where we will get our plane back to Addis Ababa.
Wait, okay. Yep. Thank you. All right, yep. Okay, he's asking for money. I would like to give, but then the thing is that when I start giving, the whole community will come, and they'll be in trouble.
Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button. Thank you.